I'm in a hurry. Oh, it is a beautiful. Sincerely Legenia. Today I've got my daughters with me.
Hey, I'm Autumn.
Hi, I'm Angelina.
My girls are joining me in the kitchen today and I am so excited because we are making Parmesan spinach chicken meatballs and they are so good. Girls, do you all agree with me when I say?
Agree, yeah.
Okay. All right, so we cannot wait to share this video with you. I mean, when I say they got in the kitchen and they did some cooking, they really did some cooking. So I love having my daughters in the kitchen with me. We're gonna have fun today. And if you wanna learn how to make Parmesan spinach chicken meatballs, then sit back and watch this video. You are going to love this. But if you have not yet subscribed to Sincerely Legenia, click that subscription button right below. If you wanna see more videos like this, go ahead and click the notification bell right next to it so that you know every time I upload a new recipe. All right, let's get into this video. It is going to be great, I promise.
Oven on 350 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes.
We'll first start out with a little bit of olive oil. We'll start out with 1/2 of a small onion. Now we're going to remove the onions. Now we're going to add 1/2 bag of this ready-to-cook spinach. We're going to add a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt and 1/2 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. Now time to toss. Now we're going to remove it from the heat to let it cool. When you remove the spinach from the heat, make sure you drain it of all the excess water because we don't want that in our meatballs.
We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, and about 1/2 teaspoon of cracked black pepper. Now we're going to add our cooled spinach and onions. Lastly, 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese. Now mix. It's all mixed up now, and so we're going to roll them into about a 1.5 inch meatballs. Meatballs are all rolled up, so now we're gonna put them in the frying pan. Now add in our meatballs. Now we're going to remove them from the pan. chicken broth. Bring it to a simmer and then add 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. Now let's add our meatballs back to the skillet. For about 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's get our spaghetti squash out of the oven. Now it's time to shred it. We're going to top our dish with more Parmesan cheese. This is about another 1/3 cup. All right, our Parmesan spinach chicken meatballs are ready. Let's put this meal all together. Chicken meatballs are ready. We've got them on top of our spaghetti squash, and I'm so proud of this meal that my daughters did with me. So now it's time to taste. We are so excited. Let's dig in, y'all.
Yeah, let's get it.
Here we go. Okay.
Ooh,
It's hot. It's hot. I gotta put it on.
This is good. That's real good.
It's unbelievably amazing.
That cheese is like on point.
The spinach in here, guys, is amazing. They're dropping stuff on my floor. This one is amazing. You have definitely got to try it. We're gonna go now because they're gonna have to make their own plate. I'm gonna have to make mine. Try this. So good. Thank you for joining me. I pray that you and your family have a blessed and prosperous week. You'll definitely have a blessed and prosperous week if you try these spinach Parmesan chicken meatballs. They were amazing.
They're gonna bless your stomach.
Have a blessed and prosperous week, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Sincerely, Legenia. Bye. Try it. It keeps going.
No, it didn't. It's
Yes, it does. Engineer, just turn the black part.
Oh my gosh!
You are so empty.
Our spinach is ready, and now we're gonna remove it to the heat to lick. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna remove it to. Now our spinach is ready. Now we're gonna remove it from the heat. Okay, our spinach is ready.
Be sure before you remove your spinach from the heat that you squeeze out all of the excess water because we don't want that in our meatballs.
I was talking during this session.
Yeah, that was gonna take 3 days.
What was it?
Then say,
What did you
Go
say?
ahead. When you remove the spinach from the heat, be sure to squeeze out. See, I got it separated. I'm leaning it. Be sure to squeeze out and do this as you're saying.
No, you can do it. I'm just saying I'll say it.
Say it then. Go.
You didn't finish saying what you were saying.
Oh my
Hey
goodness.
everybody, welcome back to another, and make sure you're looking right there. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Sincerely Legenia.
Hey.
I'm Autumn.
Right, I heard you gonna say
I'm Autumn. And we are making a Parmesan spinach chicken meatballs. All right, well that wraps it up. Say it, Angelina.
All right, so we are finished. The meatballs are amazing.
All right. Okay. Look, my spot was really big. Okay. All right.
So we hope you guys enjoyed this video this week. What are you laughing at? All right, so I hope you all enjoyed.
And I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.